Want to transform your static animations into engaging, interactive experiences? Then let's create a dynamic quiz using Adobe Animate. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project, setting the dimensions and frame rate to your liking. I am using ActionScript 30. Next, draw a rectangle using the rectangle tool. This will serve as our question box. Convert the rectangle to a button symbol so that users can interact with it. Now, add dynamic text fields for the question and each answer option. These fields will display the quiz content. It's time to use the code window, which is the magic behind our quiz, and add code to manage questions, track the score, and provide feedback based on the user's answers. Next, add event listeners to each answer button, so that when the user clicks an answer, it triggers the appropriate function to evaluate the response. Now, create visual cues such as color changes or check marks to display feedback to the user, making the quiz more engaging and user-friendly. And that's it, you've now created a basic quiz in Adobe Animate. Feel free to explore further and make it as unique as you like.